Veterans of the U.S. Army, Air Force, Navy, Marines, and Coast Guards who suffer injuries or acquire diseases related to active duty may receive tax-free disability compensation from the Department of Veterans Affairs. Some veterans who fought during war times can claim benefits even if their disability isn't service-related. If you or a loved one has a service-related disability or is unable to work due to a service-related injury or disease, it's important to understand your options and legal rights. There are two basic types of compensation for disabled veterans. Disability compensation. Veterans who have disabling injuries or physical or mental conditions that were caused by military service or were aggravated by active duty may qualify for disability compensation. Combat experience is not required to receive disability compensation. Non-service connected pension. Veterans who were severely disabled after their military service and who now have low incomes may qualify for a non-service connected pension. If you served during a period of war and meet these conditions, benefits may be available to you. One of the most difficult aspects of a veteran's disability claim is establishing that the disability is related to an injury or illness that is connected to military service. There are some conditions that are presumed to be service-related for VA disability purposes. Many injuries and illnesses that occur during military service can have a lasting impact on a veteran, often affecting the ability to work or maintain a normal life. Common disabilities for which veterans seek benefits include post-traumatic stress disorder, loss of limbs, traumatic brain injury and spinal cord injuries, exposure to toxins and diseases, hypertension. The application process begins with filling out a disability compensation claim. This can be done online. You can also print out and mail Form 21-256 to the VA or call the VA at 1-800-827-1000 to ask to have the form mailed to you. Make sure you keep a copy of the completed form. If you are mailing the form, send it to the VA Regional Office, VARO, in the state where you live. After the VA receives your claim, it will send you a letter explaining what records the VA needs to support the claim. It's important to fill out and send back any forms as soon as possible. If the Board of Veterans' Appeals still denies your claim, you have a few choices. You and your attorney can decide whether to go back to your local VA and try to reopen the claim or file a motion asking the board to reconsider the claim because of an error in the board's decision. Appeal to the U.S. Court of Appeals for Veterans Claims and later to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit and U.S. Supreme Court.